Okay, let's go live. Digital tools are changing the way we used to do things.
Hi everybody, this is Dr. Howard Gluckman. I'm a periodontist from Cape Town in South Africa, and I'm here on the first residency program, which is online for DSD with Coachman and his team. This is really the future. This is really something where we talk about digital, where we talk about the workflows, where we talk about everything that we do.
This is to the lab with the models to mount. So cross-mounting, right?
More importantly, something that I've learned which is absolutely phenomenal is new business techniques, new marketing techniques, which I've taken back to my practice. There's no excuse anymore. I used to travel a lot and work kept me away and I didn't have the time, but now there's no real excuse. Do it. It's really something that you're going to absolutely love.